Today we are going to learn what is the retained earnings, right? So we're going to be looking at a company and finding their retained earnings with the information that we've been given. So we're going to be working with ADVNA today. The price is $46.01 per stock. The ratio is going to be 16, and our yield is 2.3. I forgot to write percent. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is find our earnings. So we have our formula of price over earnings, and this is earnings per share, but I'm just going to write it as earnings, equals our ratio. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're just going to plug in our stuff. So we have price and we have ratio. So it's 46.01 over E equals 16. And then to figure out E, we're just going to do, we're going to move this over. So it's 46.01 equals 16E. And then we're going to divide both sides by 16. So these are canceled. And this is what we're going to put into our calculator. So let me get my calculator out. So 46.01 divided by 16, that is 2.88. All right, 2.88 equals E. Okay, so that's our earnings. We're going to hold on to that. Our next thing that we need to do is find our dividend. Okay, so the formula for that is dividend dividend over price equals our yield. Okay, once again, we have the price, we have the yield, we have the technology. Okay, we can solve this. So let's plug our stuff in again. So we got D for dividend over our price of 46.01 equals our yield. But because it's a percentage, hey, bad cat. Okay, ignore that. So our yield is a percentage, right? So we need to put it as this, 0.023. And then, in order to get D on its own, we're going to multiply this, the price, over times the yield. So D, that's an awful D. Okay, D equals these two numbers multiplied by each other. So let's go ahead and type that out. 46.01 times 0.023 equals 1.06. All right. So now we have our earnings and we have our dividend. So now we can find our retained. So the formula for retained is this. That was the wrong one. Erase. Earnings minus dividend equals retained. So we have our earnings. 2.88. This is all dollars, right? I'm just really lazy. Minus our dividend of 1.06 is going to get us our retained, which is $1.82. There we go. So that is how you find retained earnings using only what has been provided on our stock sheets. Thank you.